Okay, so today I'm going to do a DIY. I'm going to make my own melt and pour honey, milk, and oat soap. So the ingredients you're going to need, right here is alcohol, honey, goat's milk soap base that I got from Brambleberry. I also got fragrance oil, which is oatmeal, milk, and honey, also bought from Brambleberry. You're gonna need a teaspoon, and of course you're gonna need a mold. I got the bumblebee print mold. I got a bag of oats. Let's see if I can fit up some. So I got a bag of just quick oats and measuring cup. Okay, so first step is to take your melt and pour soap and you're going to cut it into little pieces. Okay, so after you cut it into pieces, you're gonna put it in your measuring cup. Then you're gonna microwave it. You're gonna microwave it for 30 seconds and then stir it. Don't leave it on for too long because it will burn. Just keep doing like 30 seconds if it's not fully melted. So once you have it in a bowl, you're going to melt it. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to melt it and then I'm going to come back. Okay, so now I'm back and it's fully melted. I'm just stirring to make sure that all the pieces is melted in here. Yeah, so you kind of got to like move a little, quickly. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to now add my tablespoon of honey into my mix. And you got to make sure that you stir the honey in very, very well. Really any leftovers, so you just gotta make sure you stir the honey in. Okay, so now that I did that, I'm now gonna add my almond oil. I forgot to show you this. My sweet almond oil. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of almond oil to it as well. I'm gonna add my oats. I'm not gonna put a lot in there. And just mix it. So now, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my fragrance oil into it. I'm going to add a couple drops of my fragrance oil. Sorry, it was new. So that's 5 milliliters. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my rubbing alcohol and I'm going to spray the mold. Just a couple sprays in the mold. Now I'm going to pour in my soap base. Now, so that right there, it made 11. I'm going to spray more rubbing alcohol. And then we're going to let them sit. Then I'll be back when I take them out. So I removed them from the molds. I just pushed the sides up like this. They came out. It was really, really easy. And this is my finished product. It smells so good.